To spot a scam mail, look for warning signs like misspelled names, unusual email addresses, etc. Have you ever received an email that you found suspicious, or it just doesn't seem legitimate either because of an unusual email address or use of poor spellings? Such emails are mostly scams and malicious attacks by hackers that you shouldn't respond to. In today's world, hacking has become very common. It can be extremely difficult to distinguish between a scam email and a legitimate one because hackers now use sophisticated tactics to deceive people. Hackers often target startups, and these scam emails can be particularly harmful. Recently, some individuals in the US lost around $3 billion in business email compromise Beck attacks, where hackers target organizations to steal money and critical information. However, there are ways you can protect your businesses from such scams. How to spot email scams? Look for warning signs. Be alert for red flags such as emails sent outside of business hours, misspelled names, unusual links, or a sense of urgency. Contact the sender. If you receive an email that seems suspicious, it's better to verify its authenticity by contacting the sender directly using the phone number provided in the email rather than replying to the email itself. Be aware of calls. Sometimes cybercriminals prefer fraudulent phone calls over emails. In such cases, try not to take these calls or, at the very least, refrain from sharing any personal information over the phone. Use secure payment methods. Hackers often aim to make money through fraud by posing as vendors requesting payment for services provided by your company. Always verify payment methods and bank details thoroughly. Simply ignore it. One effective way to avoid falling for scams is to ignore and not give attention to suspicious attempts.